po ngunyan si Misa, iyo ang mga minasunod. Thanksgiving Mass and Petition Mass in honor of Divine Mercy of Our Lady of Mercy, offered by 𝗟𝗜𝗩𝗘 Food Industry. Thanksgiving Mass and Petition Mass offered by Mr. and Mrs. 𝗟𝗜𝗩𝗘 and family. Thanksgiving and Petition Mass for fast healing recovery offered by Mr. Don D. Francisco. Birthday blessing to Reynard San Gabriel, and Thanksgiving Mass and Petition Mass offered by Mrs. Eda Capricho. Thanksgiving Mass in honor of Divine Mercy offered by Mr. and Mrs. Gaspar Pilyogo and family. Thanksgiving Mass in honor of Divine Mercy offered by Mr. and Mrs. Vicente Baguio and family. Thanksgiving Mass in honor of Divine Mercy offered by Mr. and Mrs. Orly Austria and family. Thanksgiving Mass in honor of Divine Mercy and safe travel of Adrian offered by Mrs. Maria Cortez and family. Thanksgiving Mass offered by Tapara family. Thanksgiving Mass in honor of Divine Mercy offered by Mr. and Mrs. Emilio Olieta and family. Thanksgiving Mass offered by Verdejo family. Thanksgiving Mass offered by Jesseline Lerillo and family. Petition Mass offered by Clyde Custudio. Thanksgiving Mass offered by Mrs. Nieves Igusgisa. Thanksgiving and Petition Mass offered by Mrs. Eva Rillion and family. Para sa kalag ni Dominador, idinudulot ni Mrs. Georgina Butchal and family. Sa kalag ni Felicitas, kalag ni Mario, idinudulot kan Venus Romero and family. Sa kalag ni Dominiana, kalag ni Rafael, kalag ni Vicente, idinudulot ni Mrs. Tesing Danabar. Sa kalag ni Lilibet, kalag ni Roberto, idinudulot ni Mr. and Mrs. Manalo family. Sa kalag ni Yolando, idinudulot kang Verdejo family. Sa gabos na kalag sa Purgatorio, idinudulot ni Mr. and Mrs. Jessica Barawel and family. Misa Kumon, idinudulot ni Mr. and Mrs. Merna Onagles. Sa kalag ni Rafael, kalag ni LV, kalag ni Ruel, asin kalag ni Ignacio, idinudulot ni Mrs. Eva Rillion and family. Sa kalag ni Eduardo, kalag ni Eleazar, kalag ni Adelaida, asin sa gabos na kalag sa Purgatorio, idinudulot ni Mrs. Eva Rillion and family. Thanksgiving Mass and Petition Mass in honor of Divine Mercy and Our Lady of Mercy and for all the souls in Purgatory, offered by Mr. and Mrs. Leonardo Muruda and family. Thanksgiving Mass and Petition Mass offered by Jenny Buela. Petition Mass offered by Mary Grace Lita.